We're not moving fast enough when it comes to sustainability.
It's a team effort. We have to work together to solve those big problems.
When people are here, they are committed and engaging.
When we come together, we build an interrelationship, we build a friendship, and then we create a joint force.
Our economic construction are deeply embedded and related back to our rural regenerative practices and communities.
Material design, interior design, landscape architecture. It's amazing to bring all these perspectives together.
There's a lot of great workshops. We have a few people here from our office and we're sort of dividing and conquering.
Indigenous people have been the stewards of our earth for millennia, and we need to give them credit for the incredible and sophisticated technologies they've been perfecting for thousands and thousands of years.
The idea of chief heat officers, I'd never heard that term before, and the fact that that actually exists was very encouraging.
I think that idea of getting to a point where we can say, but this biodiversity corridor, that actually has priority. There's nothing that can be more important than that. It's something to consider at a policy level as well as a design level.
There shouldn't be need to do a policy about making spaces that doesn't overheat you, that doesn't make you ill, that literally kills people every year. Imagine why we need a policy for that. It shouldn't happen.
These are important discussions that we need to be having right now.
It's a different conversation that's happening here.
It's great to invest in this here in Toronto.
We want to connect, exchange, and learn from one another, because that's the only way we can give a holistic solution.